Thank you very much, and good day to all lovers of freedom. My name is Nnamdi KANU. I'm one of the lawyers to Nnamdi KANU. Today being the 23rd of October 2025, Nnamdi KANU opted to defend himself in open court. Processes had been filed and motions had been moved. So he filed motion challenging the jurisdiction of the court. And after the motion was moved by himself, according to what we heard, because when he asked that he would defend himself, the judge directed or ordered that all his lawyers who had appeared with him or for him before now should leave the courtroom. So we all left, except the senior advocates of Nigeria, who my lord ordered to sit back, and they sat back. So, but we left as directed by court, and Nnamdi KANU, as we later heard, moved the motion, which he filed by himself, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. I understand that the court insisted that he has jurisdiction and continued to hear the matter. We also were informed that he raised the issue of his medical certificate of fitness issued by the Nigerian Medical Association. And he drew the attention of the court to the fact that the Nigerian Medical Association issued a certificate of fitness on the 23rd of September 2025, whereas the court made an order for the Nigerian Medical Association to do that report on the 26th. So we noticed that the medical report came long before the order of court was made. And Nnamdi KANU's position is that that medical report is not the one ordered by the court, and that the medical report is corrupted. But because on the last date before today, when we appeared in court and that medical report was tendered, the lawyers, we didn't object to that medical report. Possibly it's an oversight, I think. And so my lord said that since he had ruled on that medical report, he is found official, he can no longer go back to that medical report, and ordered him to go ahead to present his defense. We understand also that Dr. Nnamdi stood up and intervened as a friend of court and requested my lord to grant Mazi some time to reflect and maybe constitute another team of lawyers that will lead his defense team. So be that as it may, the case is still on. It's adjourned to tomorrow, 24th October 2025. Hopefully we'll be around. If the court permits us to come inside, we'll come inside, but if not, then we'll just hang around and try to get information as to what transpired. So as of today, Nnamdi KANU has briefed us as his lawyers for this particular case, not for all cases, but for this particular case. So hopefully by tomorrow, he might have to reconstitute another team. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sir, yeah. My name is Prince Elias Odemena. I am the convener of the Igbo Union in the country Igbo. Please, I want to debunk the stories going around the town because of the protest show a Yoruba man called. They say that the Igbos abandoned Nnamdi KANU. That is a false statement. We, the Igbos, we are 100% behind our brother, Mazi Nnamdi KANU. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
That was such a huge oversight from the lawyer. I'm talking about the medical report that was given. I mean, the oversight was an obvious one, and it's not supposed to. And perhaps this is what Nnamdi KANU has been complaining about the lawyers. It's just the laxity or something. I know that they are putting in effort, but there are at some point, it's as if they don't understand the law, or what they are chasing is not what it's supposed to be. And that is why Nnamdi KANU has decided that he wants to take it over by himself. How can you have such an oversight on the medical report? you have the report there, and you could not see to know that the report was a previous one and not just the immediate report that was requested, for the listing. And now it has been overruled, and Nnamdi KANU has to continue without going for, a medical listing. I think all this we are part of. I'm sure what angered him, or why he said it, he wanted to defend himself by himself. Now at least you will have the papers, you have the document and everything. You have to go through everything. Nnamdi KANU is learned. He's very, very smart and very, very intelligent. So he will take his time while he's there in the prison or wherever he's being kept. So he will take his time and be going through the document and everything, so that when next it comes out, you will know what to respond at any particular time. Well, I just pray that a reasonable he will be able to come back and form another formidable team, because this is not a journey that I think he can just handle by himself. He can't be playing and be defending himself at the same time. It's not going to be a very easy task on him, but I pray that God will help him. It's not easy one. He tried very, very much today in the court. We could see how he was putting up defense, quoting the laws, calling my laws, challenging the court. And these are the things that he had expected from the lawyer, that perhaps he was not seeing it. According to Nnamdi KANU's reactions and everything, they say action speaks louder than voice. So perhaps this was what he was expecting from the team, and they are not giving it to him. There were more than 1, 2, 3, and yet the case is still pushing. And then again, for the other man that says is an Igbo man that is supporting, I don't know who asked him to say anything, that they didn't abandon Nnamdi KANU. Nobody has requested or asked him to make such opinion, if you ask me. So let him go and call other political leaders, let them come. Anyways, let's take a watch at what happened in court today. A little clips of how Nnamdi KANU was quoting the law and was, defending himself by himself. Take a watch.
The state. At this stage, I am of the opinion that you may or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determine the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here.